2023 Nissan Frontier redesign. 2023 Nissan Frontier is one of the compact pickup trucks that has succeeded in dominating the U.S. automotive market. By continuing to present its newest generation, it is hoped that the Nissan Frontier 2023 will be able to continue its outstanding sales achievements in the past few years. Several enhancements and changes to make it a pickup truck that has a more modern design and doesn't lose its aggressive value as a pickup truck, and this is expected to happen in the 2023 Nissan Frontier. Nissan Frontier 2023. The new Nissan Frontier 2023 is a truck that has a much bolder look than the previous model. It seems that this latest generation still uses a powerful and high-performance V6 engine, and is equipped with a modern cabin design by providing a 9-inch touchscreen, and offering a lot of driver assist technology. This will provide much tougher competition for the latest generation 2022 Ford Ranger and other competitors. 2023 Nissan Frontier concept. In the latest generation, Nissan has completely overhauled its vehicle design and the new 2023 Nissan Frontier. Seen at the front, there is a large grille and headlights that are interlocked, while the vertical front fender is large enough to highlight a strong and durable impression. The 2023 Nissan Frontier concept also looks set to offer some great colors ranging from tactical green metallic to bolder gray pearl. Meanwhile, in 2023 the Nissan Frontier Pro 4X offers several other features such as the LED fog light feature and grille accents in lava red. This pickup truck also has a durable chassis configured to perform better and be refined in this new 2023 Nissan Frontier. Nissan also claims that road vibration is now down to 80% thanks to the use of hydraulic cab mounts. Better damping than ever before will have a positive impact on a quieter ride, while the rear stabilizer bar helps minimize the Nissan Frontier 2023's bulky body roll. New Frontier 2023 engine. Speaking of engines, the new Nissan Frontier 2023 carries a large and tough engine, which is the same 3.8-liter V6 engine used in the previous 2023 Nissan Frontier. This engine is capable of producing 310 horsepower and producing 281 lb-ft of torque and is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. When equipped with 4-wheel drive, the Nissan Frontier 2023 has a shift-on-the-fly system featuring 2 WD/4HI/4LO modes. As for the 4WD drivetrain, the 4-wheel limited slip adjustment can improve grip on slippery surfaces by transferring power to the wheels that need it most. Every 2023 Nissan Frontier model gets help from the start of the hill, while the 4WD model has downhill control too. For maximum off-road capability, the 2023 Nissan Frontier Pro 4X adds Bilstein off-road damping, electronic locking differentials and underbody slip plates for added protection in rough terrain. If properly equipped, the new Frontier can tow up to 6,720 pounds, while trailer shake control is now a standard feature. To carry heavy loads on the rear, the Nissan Frontier 2023 can be equipped with a high-utility bed with spray sheets and a Utili-Track system that increases cargo carrying flexibility. Available LED cargo bed lights can be equipped and each model is now shipped with a damp rear door assist function. Nissan Frontier 2023 interior. On the interior side, inside the cabin there are many changes that are more comprehensive than the previous model. There is a large 9-inch touchscreen interface that is integrated with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is connected to an 8-inch touchscreen. There is handy storage space in the center console, while the Nissan zero-gravity seats increase comfort and reduce fatigue when traveling longer distances. The Nissan Frontier 2023 also offers a lower sound level acoustic laminated glass front door compared to the older Frontier. Every 2023 Frontier model enjoys features like dual front USB ports, 2 110-volt sockets, and series-free 2023 Frontier features and infotainment. Some of the other features like wireless charging for your mobile device and Wi-Fi hotspot and intelligent around view monitor from Nissan are now available in the newest generation. As for safety features, the Nissan Frontier looks better equipped with 8 airbags and the Nissan Safety Shield 360, which includes high beam assistance and lane departure warnings. Not only that, intelligent roaming control features and traffic sign recognition are also available. 2023 Nissan Frontier price and release. Several trim variants are offered, namely the Nissan Frontier S, SV, and Pro 4X trim. Interestingly, the 2WD version of the 2023 Nissan Frontier Pro 4X is available. Both King Cab and Crew Cab body styles will be offered, along with a 5 or 6 foot high bed. In the Nissan Frontier 2023, the King Cab model uses a larger bed. Nissan has not announced pricing and overall details for this new generation. However, if the changes and increases given are not as much as reported, then it is possible that the price will not be much different from the previous variant. Interim estimates: the price offered for the latest generation 2023 Nissan Frontier is estimated to be around MSRP $39,150.